How to make money on a brand new YouTube channel for beginners. It is true that one needs to get 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers to monetize their channel and make money on YouTube. But that's not the only way, because by the end of this video, you will discover the simplest way you can make money on YouTube, even if you're not monetized. And I'll be sharing the steps you can use to get started as from today using a secret strategy I used. And everything I'll be sharing will be backed with proofs. Hey everyone, if you're new to my video, my name is Joyce Meettoo and I'm an ex-mechanical engineer and now full-time online entrepreneur. And in this channel, I help people, especially 9-to-5ers, start, grow and scale their online business and make money online. If being your own boss and having a life of financial freedom and time freedom interests you, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if by any chance what I'll be sharing with you today gives you value, then hit that thumbs up button because it really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. First thing first, I'm from a tier 3 country. Actually, it's an island called Mauritius. And Mauritius is not among the countries that can be partnered up with YouTube, meaning I can't monetize my channel and make money from YouTube, even after getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But that doesn't mean I can't make money from YouTube. I actually made over $100 already from a new YouTube account I created, new YouTube channel, okay? And I'm going to show you how you can do the same. So the easiest and simplest way you can start making money on YouTube is by affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it is you recommending products to people, and when they buy, you are paid a percentage of the sales, and this is called affiliate commission. I applied affiliate marketing through a specific strategy in which you create a content that is a video talking about the particular product, and when someone who is looking to buy that product on YouTube lands on your content and gets interested to buy from you after watching, you will be getting affiliate commissions. This specific strategy I use is called launch jacking. And before I talk more about the launch jacking strategy, let me share my new YouTube channel with you and show you the actual results. You see, I actually created this channel on the 18th of January 2022, and I posted my first video on the 24th of February 2022, and the second one on the 27th, and the third one on the 8th of April, because I got engaged on many of my other channels while looking for a systematic approach to manage this new hustle, which I already found and applied. And now guys, on this channel, I actually have 13 subscribers so far, and till date, I have made $169 from this account. And the craziest thing is that $113 came from only one YouTube video that I made out here. And you would be amazed to know that the first money, like my first money from this YouTube channel, was actually $56. And this came from the second YouTube video I posted. And the rest of the $113 came from the 12th YouTube video I posted here. And guys, all of that was thanks to the strategy called launch jacking, affiliate marketing. Okay, the business model is affiliate marketing, but strategy I used was launch jacking. So what is this launch jacking? Okay, launch jacking is simply me giving my honest opinion of digital internet marketing products being launched on the market, or me giving my honest opinion about the particular product. These products are actually created with the aim to help people achieve a particular result. So the act of giving your opinion about a particular thing is called doing a review video. Let's take this YouTube video for example, our DeFi review video. In order for me to actually do this review video, I went to a website called Monetised. This website is an internet marketing product launch calendar that announces the launch of internet marketing products, and these products can be software or digital courses. And these products are actually launched on marketplaces like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. So what I did was I researched and found the product, Alt DeFi, to be a rather genuine product, okay? Thus, I requested the creator of this product for permission to participate in its launch and requested to promote his product as an affiliate. When he agreed, I was given a specific link called an affiliate link. This affiliate link is a coded link that informs the creator of the product where sales are coming from. Now, similar to me, there are other affiliates who will be promoting this offer. So in order for me to separate myself from others, I created something that is unique to me, something that would never be available from other people, except from me. And they are exclusive bonuses placed on a bonus page. To create a bonus page now, one can use ClickFunnels or a cheaper bonus page builder called Commission Gorilla. And for this review, I actually use Commission Gorilla. The reason being, I put an expiry date on the bonuses. And here is how the bonus page of the Alt Defi review looks like. But for bonuses that I haven't put an expiry date on, I built them on ClickFunnels. And here's an example of a bonus page built on ClickFunnels. Now, why the bonuses? Well, this bonus page consists of additional resources to help someone who is interested in buying the product to be launched, which in this case is Alt Defi, to get better or more results. And all of my bonuses aim to do that. Now, there is a strategic way to give bonuses. I have found marketers, and many marketers give hundreds of bonuses, and most of them are useless bonuses that overwhelm the buyers instead of helping them. And in my case, I provide specific bonuses that will help the buyers instead of overwhelming them. Now, once I have everything ready, that is the affiliate link and the bonus page, two important things remain. That is creating an affiliate stacking ecosystem and doing the review video. Now, what is an affiliate stacking ecosystem? It is an awesome strategy to send people emails that will build your credibility and make you more money as an affiliate in the long run. Because when someone buys from you, you need to deliver your promised bonuses. And I do that through emails. So I make sure I collect the email addresses of my buyers before giving them the bonuses through a form. Okay, and once they enter their names and email address here, an action occurs in the email service provider that I use, which is ActiveCampaign, to start an automation. This automation will deliver the bonuses and will put them in a list where I can regularly send them emails to nurture them, help them better, and recommend them what can work for them for their online business or particular journey. And to be honest, guys, this affiliate stacking ecosystem has been a life changer for me. You can check this video to know more about this affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now, how to do a review video? Okay, in this review video, all I do is I give my honest opinion, if people should buy it or not. And if they decide to buy, where should they go? That is, I give them a call to action to access the product through my link, and I explain how my bonuses will help them further. And once the video is done, you just have to upload it while placing the appropriate links in your description. Now, once people who want to buy this product start looking for it on YouTube and land up on your video, and they know that they can get the result they are seeking through you and your bonuses, they will buy and you will get affiliate commissions. Now, this is how I applied the strategy called launch jacking and made over $100. And these are the proofs. Now, if you apply this strategy, there is no way you're not going to make money. Guys, I did review videos and I will keep doing them in order to help the buyers decide if those internet marketing products are good for them or not. Because what I'm doing is I'm building the know, like, and trust factor with my audience, as well as turning this YouTube channel into an asset, and this asset will keep bringing me money in the years to come. And guys, this is one of the many ways of making money doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. And guys, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing and how you can make over $1,000 as an affiliate, just like these people, then make sure to check the first link in the description box below. It will help you understand affiliate marketing as an online business better and help you make high-ticket affiliate commissions. So guys, I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, make sure to actually give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'm constantly uploading YouTube videos to help you make more money and live a life of freedom. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out. Take care. Bye-bye.